Nayo kare baba. Hello, good morning to everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Harbamon Vlogs. This is my first time to make a video with English language that is also in broken. Please, if not understand, and please, I apologize to everyone because I can't speak fluently in English language. I surrender, guys. I can't speak anymore. But what do you have to explain? And one thing I would like to request to you all: if you are not subscribed in this channel, please do a subscribe, one like and one share. Thank you so much, everyone. What the view, man! Hello, guys. This is PAKLONKAM Hill. You feel it, guys? Woo! What an awesome view! Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Woo! Enjoy, enjoy, jungle road. You see, guys, this is called jungle road. Oh my God, so difficult to walk this way. It's really too much hot here, but covering of this bamboo, so I feel quite cool. ऐसा नज़ारा तो हम पहली बार देखा है। बढ़िया नज़ारा है। वीडियो टिल तक देखिए, मज़ा आ जाएगा आज। हम लोग पाकलोंगकाम वाटरफॉल से आया है, जहाँ तो क्या बोलते हैं, दिक्रुत्सो वाटरफॉल जो है ना, बीच में हम लोग सर्वे करने के लिए आया है। टू कल्टिवेट, टू प्लांट betel nut and all ना। What we help to find the best location to plant betel nut and all. Woo! What a awesome view here. You feel it, guys? This is jungle road. Woo! Enjoy, enjoy. Quite dangerous road. My friends, 3 persons are going ahead. I'm quite late, but I'm also active. One of the, so that's why. Whoa! Approaching the, what to say, the waterfall name. Always I forgot about that name. Dikrutso waterfall. According to he said, not so far away. So please enjoy it. Don't skip the video, man. We'll reach out not today, but we are trying to reach there. Actually, we are planned to go there, but I think not possible today because of short of time. So the next time, if I can visit, then I will show you the exact waterfall. One of the most beautiful waterfall in PAKLONKAM. Wow! So guys, this 3 people is quite experienced walking in hill area, the jungle areas. See this. Wow. Pakapir. Oh. In mother tongue we used to call your, what to say, this Pakapir, no? Woo, what a beautiful tree. But without leaf for this, you see it, very big. And this side, my right hand side, is deforestation for cultivation, some vegetable, rice and all. Beautiful place. Whew. You guys, you are very luckily because of you are sitting in Rome. Chingnan. Oh yeah, this is Jingnan tree. Oh yeah, woo! Beautiful, beautiful. So nice. This Jingnan tree, huh? I don't know exactly, but my brother Sikari said this is Jingnan tree. And those people who watch my video, if not understand in my broken English language, then please, I'm really sorry to everyone, but the video, the jungle view of the video, you feel it. If not understand in my broken language, then you compromise it. From my heart, I'm apologize to everyone. So difficult to reach here. First of all, I have to cut the jungle. After that only we used to walk. So from those who people go ahead, have to salute to both three of them. Chok. Of course, this video is all supported on English, Bengali, Nepalese, Hindi. Every language is supported in this my YouTube channel. So you can speak any language. Chamaila, chamaila. Woo! Nahi hoga re baba. Woo! लेकिन मजा है अलग ही ऐसा नज़ारा भी देखो मौसम देखो यहाँ वो कितना अच्छा जगह बाप बड़े बा पहली बार आया है ऐसा जंगल में हम आप लोग भी ट्राई करिए ऐसा मतलब एकदम फुली जंगल होना चाहिए हाँ fully adventure actually here nothing about the content today but the way of walking in jungle you feel it if you're not trying then you after watching this video now you can try without road how to find without net without any communication how to find exact locations how suppose we are trying to go about that waterfall so we have to knowledge about the jungle otherwise no network no route if I can't speak also I'm feeling so tired but never give up so anyhow I will try to reach here and my brother Sikari also trying to speak English. He is just nursery student only, so same as me also. My English also like this, not speak properly in English language. What is it? I was born in Harbamon also. Just we are popular here. The main mother tongue Harbi language only. So we are poor to speak English language, so don't mind those people from foreigner or English people who used to speak. Don't mind about that. We are totally broken English language. Woo! What a jungle experience today! Wow! My God! Oh. Without route. We have to find out where I have to go, and after reaching, I thinking about the future because we have to return now. If we have lost on road, then we will take it long time. So it's quite afraid, and without any taking any food from morning, so I'm quite tired. We have brought some meat from the shopkeeper, not too much, around half kilo. So if we have find any water, then we will try to cook there. After taking lunch, we will go again to submit my location. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tuar cisiman ingko anda lalang roy riri hai. Muahut pen ke hadi.
Tuar do ko lang pa me pun itun tuar duk de pin tuare.
Lang pa me ni. Pamo tuare une ko. Pan karling.
Kali lang duk dek pina tawang itam lang po. Tawar bang ke.
Wala lang jun mil buyo.
Jun ni no. Ano?
Jo. Inglong nam pilong ka bang plote solo. Disposal glass ta velo thang ta velo mi thang chiri nang pu.
Taga lang pong.
Lang pong lu.
Taga lang pong lo deh.
La dak do lang la pulang pong teng re ka li ami pu do lang don tum. La pu lang li ka tek tang lo ge.
Teng lo tamang kin.
Teng rop sama chini. La ga ami pak si chok chile.
Alam mi ini.
Prap pik lo ge. Rong ge sekari group sa no chitang ge. Amen binong ge ka prek hanta. Oh, kene chan lo ge.
Mana lang pong.
Yo, sino. Ay.
Jo la ke ditum non kam ke claim ji alang bi lo. Jun me pik la solang e dok pik ah. Haruk pik la ke har no ko jani se la klong ti char da lo. Lang pong tang inglum le.
Alang ke klar ge juk.
Chỉ thing pik là bằng so lang cái kisu lang kang bob ta kali là cái arlong ki expensive kisu
Ladak head, la so alang kita padoi edang lang ano de.
Alang ke habu pen thana arepa.
sono arep mane oh là cái so lang lang cái na pasi pik
Pestan ko dam sar tho yon yo.
dam la pula cái
Cheers everyone. Enjoy it. Actually this is not alcohol, just pure water. What to say here is stream water. You feel it? Please enjoy.
ar du na
Sing ve cepa oi ride angrong apora veli voham kacetong jadi cepasung ride okanghon. Call plastic vegetable.
oh kalah
We have to boil with dali so that we can consume. And little bit soda. If put soda, then this plastic vegetable leaf convert to what to say? Like the kang moi. Kang moi, that means varieties of item we used to put in one dish.
ha na men kia na cái ba bi ti ko bi sama na bi ti ma
Wah, bangke tang bici potai. What is this? Do you know, guys? This called a betel-nut leaf, na? If you used to eat a pan this called not betel-nut leaf. Sorry, huh?
jeng sui
Oh, this is ingsu. Ingsu, that means what to say? I don't know about the ingsu. Hook, I think hook. Oh, so danger trees.
This is the tree.
And this is called? I don't know.
this is the free
A tree. Ha ha. You people, the viewers. I don't know the exact name, but some people may know. We Karbi people used to call a tree. Ha, this one is pan, mitha pan. Karbi pan. Eko, koi one man. Ooh, mitha pan. No need to buy from any pan shop, pan stall at all. Just we have to pick out from the tree. Actually, this is not a tree, this is clamber. Hello guys, this is Mitapan. Not Mitapan, this is Karbipan here. In jungle also available in this jungle. Everything is available and this small river you
This is the waterfall.
oh. And small fish also available. He is expert in fishing. So guys, Very enjoyable today.
Thôi là son con thầu.
A small waterfall.
Ủa có cho hắn nẹp nó có biết sao?
Hey, có lại chun nuôi. Kini cái lạc hở. Kuson lo. Kuson ini lah han puya. Chonghan.
Chonghan, this is the Chonghan.
Oh, this is called Chonghan.
Chonghan.
Category of fish only. And this Chonghan is used to eat this. What is the fungus at all?
Có là cả clam với
Koi chui na.
đốt cái lăng à.
Đây mới được.
Tiếng bắt tông ra kìa. Thala lát lên. Sang thà tuần mới tuần đây.
Koi chui lang đây, don't do. Please wait for a while. No, we have time to pack betel nut.
Thấy thế mà.
Hey, có này nào. Just give betel nut, man. Ha ha. Everything is here. Don't worry about in jungle. Everything is available. Not only the betel nut and fish also available.
Direct đâu có bình sao?
But betel nut is not too much good because of the town is coming from the.
Aku ni bisa kedakan bu. Ha. Tang.
Adam si diri lang.
Jeka lothe.
And here is no knife, so have to cut with my strong teeth. Oh, I used to with the strong Colgate teeth, so that's why I can block this betel nut.
Kuring na.
And have to wash this because of we cannot consume directly.
This is the khaim.
Jungle. Ini ke jungle life kami lah mentok itu.
Jungle book.
Jungle life.
Jungle book.
Oh kalau online pe na cái này hả?
Online thì bao nhiêu là rồi.
Nah, tu lah cino. Ni lah aku deh.
Kalau malam. Chonghan.
Tempat celang nang background sing sing.
This betel nut used to give always healthy to me. Có rong bên này. Rong bên hả?
Lại tu mà rong bên taxi yang lâu mà lại.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lạc gì thế này cô? Hello? Which way, man? Oh, no route. I lost. I'm focusing on my to take clips, so I lost my route. Quite afraid also, but don't worry. Oh my God! Which way? It's not good. Just return this way. This way. This way. Hey. Oh. I'm feeling hungry, guys. I'm quite tired. Fully tired. What to say? No food, no soap. Without taking any breakfast. Oh. Bamboos. Jungle bamboos. Youngest bamboos we can cook food, meat at all. In jungle is no utensil at all now. So without digs, how to cook? We have to find this youngest bamboos. So Bamboo is also important in jungle. Jokan.
Jokan.
That is quite bitter. Bitter. So this also one of the vegetable only. We used to make chutney at all with dry fish. Very nice according to me. I will take this. By looking is like a flower, no? I can propose to some beautiful lady. Those viewer who want to marry me, I will bring this beautiful flower from jungle. Actually, this one is we used to call in Karbi language. It's not Jokan. Will you marry me? Any viewers? Hello, everyone. Will you marry me? I have beautiful flower in jungle. If you want to marry, then I will took away from here to give you. So please give in comment section. So those who want to marry me, I am ready to give this beautiful jungle flower. Rong hem tab leh lok. Rong sing mà đây ha ha.
Ading ke lan on kar lengi kali dah kai.
Kali deh mah.
Bisa di saya mana? Oh, lah. Gitu mah. Oke. Nek thay.
Amek pakang hai.
Oh, फिर
Kupia song hanang tu manga. Kue cuci
song we.
Song we. Lapu nama kue cuci song.
Dama cuci song bah.
Eko, kona ne don son inglong pilong nam pilong setong.
Itu mana lah mana lah song ang nambang.
Pan plak nang po gangbra colong nang po.
Gangbra colong nang po la pe hadi. Rat hai. Keceng ake komta don thong ke ma flik ke wan ji.
Lama song we tum lo.
Song we pen hin kan.
Ten no nang litu mang bong bahin ni mente mo pen dak sai nang na gangbra ke chui pan hai.
Ni li ma thai ma put hai.
Jong se hala puna jong se gangbra chodet te hala krusang ho kuson la gangbra arong men ciri ke.
Krobu hirang buka pula. Jong si la sa leng jong.
Ite non nang li ke teron sang ho lo nang li rong kuson la ciri.
Ni li bai ke hai teron rong.
Kaya teron rong.
Ate hai ya ni ke leng ba.
Ai ko pue kru hi pue karache yu. Nang li ke gangbra nan bangelan kini dun debu.
La ke ko pene ba la ke hirang ke. Lemon de dale.
Gangbra ma chithi debu.
Chithi de dale.
Ai ko hawar ke lang masi gangbra chithi ke sorong karata ni ko mandu le rulta.
Rong ke banji mane don klike ba banji la pen. Haje min mutar temasi banji.
Ha. Hey, gangbra me krog yo ile.
Gangbra me kak di ile la.
Gangbra emat theng piaru kona ne meeting to kok ya kali ho.
La pen arong bang hadi. Ting tho ya tho la hai ban long le dak. Mane la dak ke. Angton
Ko rong bin.
arong bira atap si dak bang seng ko mane angton la ke thelang di vek nahi ani tenda.
Thelang kali dekat toko arbo.
Toko lom thelang mi sente.
Mo rong toko bu ir turo ko amen gangbra thilu blote kapre. Asupo ma chila.
Teron ngamra
Pro hi bang ti julote. Rong toko.
Ai ko. Krokso ma krokso. Somon ke van parjo pa. Ting pika. Bikrut so pelecho dang ko bang. Kupine ke tiki jo nempo ke tiki jo. To me pia back nang le. Jo TVS Phonik ni ke bin ta salu thor pulo tang te Himalaya ke tension avelo cho la ni jir pudhan paklang boleh ha oh kole no na swaleng lo pachilo na hu
puga pulo langpong teng pute la sono de
giờ don to teng tap re ta chok chi aron do lang da kami kam no long dong pini kami lo ma chi pulo tang te ke teng pumat lang pok thek lok si teng tap teng tu biat ta gale nó là bài ô chumu an chumu phàn nó đi
cái anh mùng han langpong lo de ha
nam pilong ke bang poteson phole phokok avelo la hai pensi pachon bu pulo tang te phole phokok ar se lagi jong si la mung tang lap put ke chumi onang li tan ki chupu pong ne paklang pho ha nó sẽ chỉ xích cho đang bông này nhá em bộ son tên nó phole phokok trong chi lok pu
de ha
này mung pu de don tum pa mo lang pong lo ka thapu ta ka lang pinang le bu
lang da pipo
kemari ini kopai ya lah anan tuh dulu export tuh lepas lang dia enjoy
thok thak la pu sit thak klung
tan là chưa ada bang ini pan ke dora lu hala pu yo bonfire bom lo ready bom lo la pu bang ke non la coba ka sang pen ekdom chuk palang meme hai
perkeran tu beri lo ya
con ní liều
từ lắm mà
carbidics. This is local chicken, local onion, and local Mr. Chief. And after this, mixing this onion and all, and that one is garlics, raw garlics. After mixing this masala and all, he will put in bamboo hole. And that one is rice cooking with bamboo. Traditional food this is. Ki mung bo don tu tek tan lo tu là bằng pier vô bằng rồi pia là sedak pajudun po excited to eat this is quite source leaf. I don't know about the exact name, but this is ST is quite source. Not a Hansarong Tanga this is, but in jungle only. In jungle only we will get this leaf. Oh my god! And already ready now. Mixing time. After mixing in this hole, have to put it. Kau apa orang pokola pamen jipan ke? Minute cap. Guys, just wait for a 10 minutes only. After 10 minutes, you will get to see how the meat color. Now it's raw only now. After cooking this meat, I will show you the picture of this meat. Excited! I can't wait 10 minutes also. And without any utensil, how to cook, man? Do you have any idea? Please comment in comment sector. This guy are expert to cook this. See, still cooking. Today is full adventure and full jungle life. Already 5 minutes is over. Now we are taking out this bamboo hole.
Han lang teng teng kidok betul lang ko.
Dok lang dok dia tip kilo. Ondak dak ini.
Kali bang rapet tang kan lepor kena pena.
Nilai lang dah ya.
Pera pera.
Pincong je na.
Nah.
Atam zoom ergo mingkan lanan pokep mingkan pokep.